Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set Microsoft Edge to automatically delete your browsing history upon closing every time. So if you don't really want to use in private mode, you just rather use a normal Microsoft Edge mode which would keep a track of your all that history and it would be easily accessible on your computer. If you would rather just clear all whatever specific information you want to delete, which we will go over, what you can and cannot select, I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open a page, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy. On right side, you just need to scroll down. Under the clear browsing data, you can able to see the option. Choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Select it. So if you want to enable a specific one over here, for example, if you turn on browsing history, it will clear the browsing history when you close the Edge browser. The same way for other options as well. So for example, in my case, I most useful is password. I'm gonna turn it on. If I entered any website with my logins, after closing the web browser, it will be cleared up, guys. After enabling this option, and that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.